What's up, everyone? Alpine Backyard Barbecue is back. Today we're making smashed Big Mac tacos. Stay tuned, this one's definitely worth it. Let's go! Alright, we need tortillas, ground beef balls, cheese, onions, pickles, and a homemade Big Mac sauce. And I'm gonna show you how to make it right now. For that awesome Big Mac sauce, we're combining yogurt, tomato paste, mustard, wash your sister sauce, and a splash of pickle juice. The exact measurements are in the description below, as always. Let's get this show on the road. The grill is cranked all the way up, and the cast iron plate is fired up and ready. Drop those beef balls onto the grill. Slap a tortilla right on top, and smash it down hard until the meat spreads all the way to the edges. Sear it until the meat is no longer raw. As soon as that beef is done, flip those tacos over and hit them with that SPG. Then top with plenty of cheese and close the lid so it melts. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like, and comment on the video. Let's go. Oh yeah, baby, look at that melted cheese. It smells absolutely incredible in here. Pull them off the heat and let's top them. Now load them up with lettuce, that awesome homemade sauce, pickles and onions. What do you guys think? Don't these Big Mac tacos look absolutely incredible? And it literally took just 5 minutes to make. It honestly doesn't get better than this. Simply fire up that grill after work or school. Grab a cold beer and crush some incredible smashed Big Mac tacos. All right, now let's give this a try. Oh my God, this tastes exactly like a Big Mac. Maybe even better since we made it ourselves. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, and smash that like button. Alpine backyard barbecue is the real deal, and that's a fact.